There is a stereotype of hackers around us. However, there's a great deal of other things when compared to Hollywood or to what the media depicts. Hackers are fluctuated beings and include the following types. The first type is script kiddie. Script kiddies ordinarily don't care about hacking. They duplicate code and use it to infect systems or an SQLI or something different. Script kiddies will never hack for themselves. They'll simply download abused programming and watch a YouTube video to learn the best way to utilize it. A typical script kiddie attack is a DOS, that is a denial of service, or a DDoS, which is a distributed denial of service, in which they flood an IP with so much of data that it crumbles under the strain. This attack is habitually utilized by a bunch of anonymous programmers. Blackhat hackers. They are also known as nuts and they are seen in the news headlines most of the time. They discover their victims through weak security points and steal their data and money. That is, their victims are banks and big organizations. The shocking truth about their strategies for attacks is that they regularly practice elementary hacking, learn, and later on perform on the victim. Whitehat hackers. We also call them ethical hackers. Whitehat hackers are the real heroes of the hacker world. They assist by evacuating a virus or conducting a penetration test. Most of these people are qualified in IT security and software engineering, having degrees in many of these fields. Greyhat hackers. Nothing in this category is either black or white. Greyhat hackers don't take cash or data, though sometimes they spoil a website or two. They don't generally help anyone, but at the same time they could if given the chance. Grey hatters don't go to the darker side. They generally treat the entire show as a game. However, they may attempt to profit themselves economically. At the point when they discover a loophole in a framework, they are not frequent to inform specialists. These are the guys who do illegal things in a legal way. Green hat hackers. They are called N00BZ hackers, but not like script kiddies. They care about hacking and endeavor to turn into out-of-the-box hackers. They are frequently influenced by the hacker network for posing numerous fundamental inquiries. In short, they are the ones who don't have complete knowledge, but their aim is to be a good hacker. Red hat hackers. These are the avengers of the hacker world. They resemble white hats in some manner. They stop black hats, but these people are absolutely terrifying to those who have never tried pen testing. Rather than revealing the hacker, they lock him or her by uploading viruses, DOS attacks, and or accessing his or her system to finish it from the inside. They use numerous forceful techniques, sometimes so extreme that victims have to change their systems. In brief, they shield the world from black hatters, however, illegally. It's like stopping criminals by paralyzing them or ending crooks by executing them. Blue hatters. If a script kiddie rendered revenge, he or she may turn into a blue hat. Blue hatters will look for retaliation on those who've irritated them. Extreme blue hats are N00BZ, however, like the script kiddies, they want to learn. Then we have hacktivists. A hacktivist is a hacker who uses hacking to send social and political messages. This is normally done by capturing sites and leaving the messages on the seized sites. So finally, we have phreakers. A hacker who recognizes and misuses shortcomings in phones rather than PCs is known as a phreaker. The ultimate question is what you want to be or what you see yourself as.